Oh, what's up guys? Just doing some Black Friday shopping. I hauled this toilet clear up the mountain. Super pretty right now, by the way. And cold as butt. Okay, first up, got a 22, all loaded with Supersonic 22. Okay guys, so that 22 hit. The toilet laughed at it here, but it did a lot. I mean, it busted through right there. Even took out this part. Didn't make it to the back there. Also didn't make it to the back there, which means it's somewhere in there. How about that? But the tarp is doing an amazing job of catching all the pieces, which is exactly what I wanted. Okay, next up, hit it with a 9mm. Okay, man, that 9mm really took it out. That's crazy. Who knew? All this crap in here is hollow inside a toilet. I didn't know that. Maybe it hit this top part because it didn't go through. Nothing's gotten through both walls of porcelain yet, which is impressive. So I got a Remington 870 here. I got the first shot's bird shot, and then I got 2 buckshot and 2 slugs. I think I'll probably only hit it with 1 of each, seeing how damage is. Got to say something for the AR. Okay guys, this toilet, this little John has seen better days. But I mean, you can see the inner workings of the toilet a little bit better. So water flows in here. And then, I guess it makes sense that this is hollow because there's holes in there. Let's see right there that the water comes down and flushes the whole bowl. So yeah, it makes sense that that's hollow. Flushes down, goes in there and out the back. It's still standing, although barely. I figure the AR is probably gonna do it in. It is stopping some projectiles, like that's one of the 9mm right there. That slug and buckshot, whew, whew, those rounds are spicy. Okay guys, so the AR, the toilet didn't even think about stopping those rounds. They just sent it right through. This thing is all... I'd shoot it with the 6.5 Creedmoor, but there ain't nothing left to shoot. And I don't want to shoot down to my tarp because I'd rather keep it as hole free as possible, which is kind of hard to do. Okay guys, there's no point in hitting it with this guy because she's dead. So that's what happens when you shoot the heck out of a toilet. It breaks up pretty good. If you have any other crazy thing you'd like me to shoot like this, please let me know. I also have another toilet. I don't know what I'll do with that one. Maybe I'll throw it off my roof. Anyway guys, thanks for watching.